Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add HTML code into your Klaviyo email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to go ahead and embed HTML into your Klaviyo email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know there's a lot of different tracking tools, and sometimes you have to embed the HTML directly into the email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and embed HTML into one of your emails, you need to go to the email. So it could be in a couple of different places. So maybe it was one of the campaigns. So this is a one-off email that you sent, or maybe it's one of the email funnels that you set up. So here in Flows, there's multiple emails. Or if you want to simply set it up in one of your templates, go ahead and click right here, templates. For me, I'm going to go ahead and grab an email from my campaigns. Okay, so here is my email in campaigns. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, so here is one of my email campaigns, and what you need to do is you need to get into the email editor. So I'm going to click on edit. Okay, so here is the section where you can go ahead and edit the email, adding words and pictures and things like that. Now, what you're going to do is, in order to embed HTML, you're going to scroll to the general section that you want to embed the HTML into. A lot of times HTML is not going to be visible, but if it is some sort of a visual HTML, you're going to be adding in like a video or something like that, go ahead and scroll to that section. So for example, we'll go ahead and add it in right here. And what you're going to do is here on the left, you're going to see these little blocks. You're going to grab this one that says HTML and just drag it right on over. Okay. And then as you can see, it's going to give you that blue dotted line. That's where it's going to drop the HTML. So we'll drop it right here. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to open up the HTML editor here on the left. And all you're going to do is go ahead and paste in your HTML. So let me grab an HTML code. Okay. So I'm going to grab an HTML code from one of my videos. So I'm just going to grab this and I'll click on the embed. Okay, so here's an HTML code and I'm going to copy it. All right, so let me go back here to my email. Okay, I just deleted that and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. Okay, as you can see, it takes form immediately. So again, a lot of times when you're going to embed HTML into your Klaviyo email, it's going to be just working in the background, especially if it's some sort of a tracking code. This is an HTML video, so it shows up right there. And what you're going to do is click on next here on the top right. Okay, now it's showing me a preview. And if we scroll down, you can see that the HTML is not showing up, even though it's a YouTube video, but the HTML code is there. And we're going to click on next. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose to send or schedule the email. So if this is going to be in one of your email funnels or your template, it's basically going to be the same. You just drag the email code in and then paste it in wherever the HTML box is. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to embed code into your Klaviyo email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.